You're welcome to another episode of Delicious Weekly, and today we'll be talking about the health benefits of eating bell peppers. Bell peppers come in different colors such as red, green, yellow, and even orange. Bell peppers are low in calories and are also loaded with good nutrition. They are also good sources of vitamin A, C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber, meaning bell peppers can actually help you lose weight. Number two, bell peppers are also very rich in vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenes. For this reason, they may also have several health benefits such as improved eyesight and reduced risks of several chronic diseases. All in all, bell peppers are all excellent addition to a healthy diet. If you're my returning subscriber, but now you should know that I eat a lot of bell peppers. I add bell peppers to every single dish I make, and that's because I know the health benefits that comes with eating a lot of bell peppers. But before I let you go, do you also know that bell peppers are low in calories, high in nutrients, including several vitamin A? A cup of serving of chopped green bell peppers contains 120 milligram of vitamin C. And do you also know that vitamin C helps your body absorb iron and heals wound? It may also play a vital role in preventing a varieties of several heart conditions. So meaning if you want to live healthier, you want to eat healthier in this year, eat a lot and incorporate a lot of bell peppers into your dish. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next delicious weekly. Bye.